All of you, good morning. Come on, my dear students. In this session, we have got to study Civics Unit 1, Indian Constitution, portion, question answers. First of all, shall we study choose the best answers? Choose the best answer. First question, which of the following circumstances in right regarding the preamble? Options A. Republic, democratic, secular, socialist, sovereign. B. Option B. Sovereign, socialist, secular, republic, democratic. Option C. Sovereign, republic, secular, socialist, democratic. Option D. Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic. Option D is the correct answer. Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic. Second question. How many times has the preamble to the Constitution of India amended? Options A. Once, B. Twice, C. Thrice, D. Never. The answer A. Option A. Once is the correct answer. Third question. The Indian Constitution gives to its citizens. Options A. Double citizenship. Option B. Single citizenship. Option C. Single citizenship in some state and double in others. Option D. None of the above. Answer B. Single citizenship is the correct answer. Fourth question. A foreigner can acquire Indian citizenship through. Options A. Descent, B. Registration, C. Naturalization, D. All of the above. The answer is option C. Naturalization. Fifth question. Find the word one out. Options A. Right to equality, B. Right against exploitation, C. Right to property, D. Cultural and educational rights. Option C. Right to property is the correct answer. Sixth question. One of the following is not an instance of an exercise of a fundamental right. Option A. Workers from Karnataka go to Kerala to work on the farms. Option B. Christian missions set up a chain of missionary schools. Option C. Men and women government employees got the same salary. Option D. Parents' property is inherited by the children. Answer option D. Parents' property is inherited by their children is the correct answer. Seventh question. If the fundamental rights of Indian citizen are violated, they possess the right to have on access to. Options A. The Parliament, B. Attorney General, C. President of India, option D. The Supreme Court of India. And the answer option D. The Supreme Court of India. Eighth question. Which one of the following right was described by the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Option A. Right to freedom of religion. Option B. Right to equality. Option C. Right to constitutional remedies. Option D, right to property. Answer, option C, right to constitutional remedies is the correct answer. Ninth question, how can the fundamental rights be suspended? Option A, if the Supreme Court so desires. Option B, if the Prime Minister orders to this effect. Option C, if the President orders it during the national emergency. Option D, all of the above. Answer, option C, if the President orders it during the national emergency is the correct answer. 10th question, B, borrowed the fundamental duties from the. Option A, American Constitution. Option B, Canadian Constitution. Option C, Russian Constitution. Option D, Irish Constitution. Answer, option C, Russian Constitution is the correct answer. The directive principles can be classified into. Option A, liberal communist principles. Option B, socialist and communist principles. Option C, liberal Gandhian and communist principles. Option D, socialist Gandhian and liberal principles. Option D, socialist Gandhian and liberal principle is the correct answer. 12th question, under which article financial emergency can be proclaimed? Option A, Article 352. Option B, Article 356. Option C, Article 360. Option D, Article 368. Answer, Article 360 is the correct answer. 13th question, the procedure for the amendment of the Indian Constitution is given in. Option A, Article 352. Option B, Article 356. Option C, Article 360. Option D, Article 368. Option D, Article 368 is the correct answer. Fourteenth question, Sarkaria, which of the following commissions made recommendations about the center-state relations? Option A, Sarkaria Commission. Second, Rajamana Committee. Third, M.N. Venkatachalaya Commission. Select the correct answers from quotes given below. Option A, 1, 2 and 3 is the correct. Option B, 1 and 2 is the correct. Option C, 1 and 3 is the correct. Option D, 2 and 3 is the correct. Correct answer, option C, 1 and 3rd. Sarkaria Commission and M.N. Venkatachalaya Commission. Select Venkatachalaya Commissions. 1 and 3rd is the correct answers. Okay. Nextly, fill in the blanks. The concept of constitution first originated in dash. Answer, 1946. Second question, dash was elected as the temporary president of the Constitution Assembly. Answer, Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. Third question, the Constitution of Indian India. The Constitution of India was adopted on days. Answer: November 26th, 1949. Fourth question. Dash writs are mentioned in Article 32. Answer: 5 kinds of writs is the correct answer. Fifth question. Fundamental duties have been given to the citizen of India under Article dash. Answer: Article 51A. Nextly, match the followings. Citizenship Act 1955. The Preamble, Jawaharlal Nehru. 3. The Mini Constitution, 42nd Amendment. 4th, Classical Language, Tamil. 5th question, National Emergency, 1962.